Hi students, today we are starting our next chapter, that is chapter number 7, evolution. Means how we are originated. This all will come under this chapter. Our first topic, origin of life. According to this, there is no definite trace of the life. It is told that near about 3.9 billion years ago, geologists told that carbonates were produced from life processes. However, the oldest microfossils discovered so far that they are photosynthetic cyanobacteria, which appeared 3.3 to 3.5 billion years ago. Theories on origin of life. Most of the ideas on origin of life are grouped into 4 categories. That is special creation, spontaneous generation of life, extraterrestrial or cosmic origin, and terrestrial or abiogenic origin. We will start with special creation. According to this idea, all forms of life were created by divine creation of supernatural powers as one or more superior, intelligent, and all powerful beings, that is God. Life is considered as some sort of spiritual manner according to special creation. The different forms of organism believed to exist, that is these forms which were created. They are considerably not undergone any specific or significant change. The scientific knowledge based on fossil records, comparative morphological and psychological data as well as embryological data of special creation. Next, spontaneous generation of life. According to that, the spontaneous genesis of life from non-living substances was most convincing concept of life. According to this concept, it was believed that frogs, toads, snakes arose from mud or parasites, flies arose from sweat and manure, insects arose from heat and moisture from plant juice, and microorganisms arose from air or water. Our next theory, extraterrestrial or cosmic origin. According to this, life is believed to have come to Earth from some other planets or space through meteorites. Richter in 1865 described that cosmic dust or protoplasm reached on the Earth in the form of simple particles like spores or germs. Preyer 1880 also had similar idea about protoplasm reached on Earth with falling meteorites. Now, terrestrial or abiogenic origin. According to this, life is originated by a series of chemical reaction which takes place in the sequence. There is a general idea that life originated on Earth from collection of organic molecules that were produced early in the history of the Earth. Now we will see how organisms were arised. Infusoria means very minute organisms, jellyfish, then worms, then insect, then mollusk, and then vertebrates. Due to adaptive force, these all organisms arised. Now here you can see protobacteria, archaeobacteria, then protozoa, then alga, then plants, molds, animals, fungi, then green non-sulfur bacteria, actinobacteria, then fusobacteria, cyanobacteria, thermophilic bacteria and acidobacteria. In this manner, bacteria were arised. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.